Nah, it was really a.
Yes.
Yo, what the
So how could you?
I've only had one guy turn me down after telling him.
How?
Nah, because now that I'm looking at
I
it,
think my about to pop out.
nah, bro, شو
كافر الرابر.
Huh?
Nah, we're trying like me and him are trying to find out.
Nah, but the only way to touch your guy is by your throat.
Is by my throat?
Yes, if it's popping in the middle.
Mine isn't even that big. Like, what are you talking about?
Let me see your pee. That's the only way I'm gonna believe.
I'm not showing you that. I already told you. You got to give me payment.
Why should I have to give you payment?
Because I'm revealing my body parts. I'm not.
But this is virtual.
And